on this video today, I'm going to show you how to easily check a window switch. So this is a power window switch. The principles are the same and it'll apply to basically any vehicle. So this particular vehicle is a Renault Master, and we'll be checking the passenger side window switch. Just repaired the motor on this side, so I just thought I'd just quickly show you how to test the window switch in case you suspect that the window switch is at fault. So first and foremost, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and remove this on the Renault Master. It's fairly straightforward. You just use a plastic removal tool and you want to get underneath here. Just get underneath here and pry out the clips. Now, not all vehicles will you be able to remove it from the top. A lot of other vehicles, including Sprinters, you'll have to remove the door card. You can check on my other videos, and I've shown you how to remove door cards on Sprinters and so on if you need to see how that's done. So once I remove this, I'll go ahead and show you where the clips are. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 plastic clips that hold it in. There we go, so we got it out. I'll just go ahead and unplug this mirror adjuster switch over here, so I get a bit more room. And now you can see over here, so that's the top clip, the side clip on either side, and the bottom clip over here that holds it in. So now that we have removed it, what we want to do is identify the wiring. Normally, the heavier the gauge or the thicker the wires, normally that's where the current is. That's what supplies the motor for the window to go up and down. So I've got a multimeter here and we'll set it on volts DC. This is the auto ranging one. If you don't have an auto ranger, just set it on 20 volts. Go ahead and find a good ground, which you can ground the negative probe to. I normally put it on the door striker here. If you have a crocodile clip, you can go ahead and clip it there. You basically want any part that touches the metal surface. Next, we'll go ahead and turn on the ignition. Then we'll come on this side. So I want to test the passenger side window. So I've gone ahead and back probed. I've worked out that this is the positive line for the passenger side. So now you can see the ignition is on, and I've got 12 volts here. So when I go ahead and depress the passenger side, watch what happens to the meter. When I go up, notice how it drops to 0 volts. So that's what we want to see. So that's how we know that this switch is working fine. So I'll do it again. So when we back probe this wire here, the brown and the red, that is for the window switch when it goes up, hence why the voltage drops. So now the window's down, now it's going up, now you see it drop to 0, and as soon as I leave it, it goes back to 12 because it's a negative switch.